How to fix ChatGPT not available in your country, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First, if you want to fix it, all you need to do just open your browser, and once you're here, go to these 3 points here and then go to history. Now click clear browsing data, go to advanced, turn off all of those here, and then go to site settings and clear it. Select all time and then clear site settings, and that's it. Now just close your browser and open it again, and that's it. Now you'll find that your problem is fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.